Want to use your own phone with Xfinity Mobile? The first step is checking compatibility. Xfinity Mobile primarily operates on Verizon's network. Your phone needs to be unlocked, meaning it's not tied to another carrier. Use Xfinity Mobile's online IMEI checker on their website or app, version 4.2 or later, to verify if your phone's IMEI number is compatible. Popular compatible brands include Apple, iPhone 12 and newer, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and newer, and Google Pixel 4 and newer. Make sure your phone supports the necessary LTE bands 2, 4, 12, 13, 66, and 71 for optimal performance, especially if you want 5G. Devices lacking VoLTE or older CDMA-only phones are generally incompatible. Once your phone is compatible and unlocked, the activation process is straightforward. First, purchase a SIM kit for $5 from Xfinity Mobile or opt for eSIM activation if your phone supports it. If switching from another carrier, port your number during activation. This can take a few hours or up to 24. Insert the SIM card, power on your phone, and activate via the Xfinity mobile app or website. For eSIM, scan the QR code provided. After activation, confirm that data, calls, and texts are working correctly. Android users may need to manually configure APN settings if issues arise. Set APN to Xfinity Mobile, and msmmse.mobile.net. Enjoy potential savings like the $10 monthly discount on select plans for BYOD customers.